Okay, so in our last video, we just finished off the transform docgen data raptor. And what we're going to do now is we're going to put it together and put it into a document. Now, normally you'd get a document provided to you, unless you're, I guess, in a smaller organization where you'd create it yourself. I've just really quickly offline just put this together because if you'd watched me do it, it would have taken forever. So to save you that, I've done it already. And what I'm going to do is now populate the sections with our merge fields. So just to make this easier for me, I'm just going to copy this and then paste it into the document just so that I've got the exact names there ready to go. Okay, so the first thing is our account name. And I do want to point out, in one of the earlier videos I used angular brackets. I should have used curly brackets, and I did add text onto the video to highlight that. So apologies. Yeah, you're using different techniques and whatnot in work every day, and I got them all mixed up. So this is where we want to add in our account name. So we literally take it character for character, and we'll just paste that in there. And now you can see it's come in with a space. Just need to make sure that that doesn't have any spaces there, like that. And then we'll add in today. So I'll put in my merge field there for today. And then we've got name, and I'm just going to go ahead and merge that. This is going to be our opportunity name. So I'll just copy in opportunity name and put that between my opening and closing brackets. We've got the stage name. We'll go here. Oops. And then I might just quickly do these here. Alright, and then we've got type and owner. And then we have got, whoops, oh, actually I didn't need to do that. And then we've got our amount, which is there. Alright, so what's important to note is that this is between a node called repeat one. And because we want this table to repeat for all of the different opportunities, just before then, I'm just going to put in repeat one, like that. And then at the end of this one, I'm going to put in repeat. Oops. Let me just get rid of that and do it again. We'll put in to close it. Now, when you open up a repeat, you need to put in the hash, and when you close it, you need to put in the / like that. And now we can get rid of it. Now, I will point out that when it repeats, there won't be a space between it. It'll just literally have another, I guess, dark blue header there, and that will repeat for as many of the opportunities that they are. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, and that should now be the template. So we've got in our merge fields, we've got in our repeater. One thing we don't have is our an if statement. So perhaps what we can do, if I just jump back in here, we're looking for something that comes in with a true or false. So if I just have a look at my transformations, we haven't got something like is1. So let's just quickly do that. So opportunity is1, and just coming in here, and we'll just add that. And that will go into a repeat as well. And we'll just preview to make sure. Okay. And what we'll do in this one, so I can demonstrate, we'll say just something like that. And I'm going to put in some merge fields in here. Now I do want to go back. I just realized I need to fix that. So we'll go is1. So if this equates to true, it will display what's in there. So we'll say yes, and then we'll just close that off with is one like that. So as I mentioned in one of the previous videos, it literally will just show what's between those merge fields if this equals true. And I just noticed there I didn't put that if in there. There isn't a section to say, well, what to show if it's not true, because if I put no in there, it will always show no as well, because there's no visibility rule there. So basically you would have if is 1 and then if is not 1, something like that. But I will make another video showing how to do that. So we'll just leave it like that for now. If it equates to false, then it'll have nothing in there. So I'm just going to Control S to save that. And then coming back in here, I'm just going to fix my transformation. So we've got there the is 1. And I'm going to change it to if is 1, like that. And let's just execute, and we can see we've got some trues and falses there. Alright, so that's the document template. In the next video, we'll actually create or use a document template designer to put it all together, and we'll cross our fingers and we'll preview it, and hopefully we'll see that document.